Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by and let's learn today how to make yummy-licious ghee rice easily and quickly. Let's check out the ingredients. 2 bay leaves, 5 to 7 cardamom pods, 5 to 7 cloves, 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ghee 2 to 3 tablespoons, 3 large red onions cut in juliennes like this, 2 cups of Govindabhog rice or jeera rice. These two go the best with this recipe. Salt according to your taste, 4 cups of room temperature water. Wash the rice thoroughly till the time you see the cloudy water getting disappeared, and then soak it and keep it aside. Now let's divide the onions into half. One half will make it birista, that means the fried golden onions, and other half we will make the base of the ghee rice. Now let's put the ghee first, let it melt properly, and then we'll start making birista. For this, half part of the onions I'm going to fry right now. Maintain the heat to its lowest throughout. Once the onions become golden fried like this, it's time to take them off. While removing them out of the pan, tilt the spatula like this so that you can drain the excess of ghee, and then place it on a plate like this, and do the same with the rest of the birista. And now after the birista is ready, in the leftover ghee, let's put the bay leaf, cardamom and cloves all together and give it a stir along with the black pepper. Now let's put other half of the onions into the ghee. Now let this roast in the medium heat. Now let's add 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala. Mix it well. Now time to add our soaked rice. Now mix it well and let the rice get coated well with the ghee and the masala. After 5 minutes, it's time to add the 4 cups of water into the rice. After mixing well, it's the time to add salt. Here I'm adding pink Himalayan salt, 1 tablespoon. You can always adjust the salt according to your taste. Mix it well, and then once it starts boiling, just cover it with a lid and let it cook in a medium flame. After 10 minutes of time, when the rice is almost cooked, take out the biristas and put it on the upper layer of the rice, and then cover the lid back so that we can dum the rice this time with these fried onions, and let the fragrance and the flavor spread it evenly on the rice as well. After 5 minutes, you will see the rice is cooked and the fragrance is just amazing. Now your ghee rice is all set and you can serve it with either a vegetarian delight or a non-veg delicacy which you always want to crave for. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you did, do not forget to like this video, share it and comment it. Do let me know how it turned out at your kitchen, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.